What's your story?
I was diagnosed when I was 13.
Your real story.
I'm a grenade. One day I'm gonna blow up, and I'm gonna obliterate everything in my wake. And I don't want to hurt you.
I want you to leave.
We are a hot mess. You gave me a forever within the numbered days, and I can't tell you how thankful I am for our little infinity.
It's a good life, Hazel Grace. Okay.
Okay.
A Culpa é das Estrelas. Sexta, 24 de abril às 21h30, no TV Cine 1 HD.